Hey everyone, this is Zach with Curate, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of our new CurateOrders product. Now, the CurateOrders product contains two different components. One is for managing your in-store and retail traffic or phone call order-ins, and then the other is for managing your online orders via your website. Now, when you're inside of the CurateOrders platform, you're going to have an Orders tab here. This is where all of your orders are going to take place. You can view and manage all of your orders, mark their statuses, close them out, edit them at any time, but also create new orders. So if I was to receive a phone call in of a hotel delivery needing some flowers, I can actually create a new order really simply, add in my customer information, choose my fulfillment date, and then click Save. When you do that, you'll be taken into what we call the workroom view here, and this is really quick and easy to process a transaction. So the way this works is you can come in, you can edit any of the info here, even add in a delivery recipient, as well as check in who actually placed the order, as well as provide any notes, right? So this can be obviously what time they're going to be delivered or any other information that you'd like your customer to know. Now, for the actual building out of your order, it makes it really easy because the way this works is it builds off what we call products. These are all your pre-created items in the software. And you can actually search those really easy. So if I was looking for that hotel delivery option, I can actually pull that in directly. And Curate's going to actually build out everything for me. You can always update the quantity and pricing, and really unique to our software that no other POS system can do is you can actually go into your recipe and understand your cost versus retail. Make sure you're adding any private notes in there for maybe your staff that's putting these together, and ensure that obviously you're making that markup there. Now, I already have a product in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, and we're going to act like we're actually going to go ahead and process this transaction. So what we're going to do is come down to the payment schedule, and you can see in the payment schedule here that obviously I have only one payment. You can add additional payments if you'd like to do installments, or just obviously finalize this with the single payment. Now, really quick, just looking over everything here, making sure it looks good, I come up here and hit publish, and at this point in time, my order is now ready to be paid and processed. So the way this works is you can click on the Pay Now button. If you do have any of our payment processor integrations, we make it really easy to input their card information and pay that directly into your bank account. Now, on the back end, we have a few different sheets that you can use and email confirmations to make it easy to send things to your customers related to this transaction or order. You can click on the hamburger menu here, and what you can pull up is three different sheets: the recipe sheet, the print overview, and of course sending an email confirmation. So you can see here the recipe sheet is actually going to pull up all my items that I need for this specific order, and then of course you can include recipe photos or whatever else you'd like for your back-end staff who's putting this together to actually print out or display for them as they're creating the product. Now, the print overview comes really nicely for your delivery staff or staff that's wanting to or is going to be handling this order. You can actually click over to the print overview, and you'll see you have an invoice side of the print overview here. It includes delivery notes and all your logistics, as well as the item information. Or you can toggle over to the menu view and hide those pricing and costs associated with everything. Print this out, send it over to your delivery staff so that they have this and the information to call Becky when they do get to the hotel. Now, the third and final is actually going to be the confirmation email. Will automatically generate that for you, and you can add any recipient in here and send this off to them so that they have a receipt. Now, you're probably wondering what the online e-commerce side looks like. The e-commerce side actually builds off that products that I mentioned at the very beginning. Products are really those pre-created items that you have in here, and once you got these all set, it makes it really easy to process those orders and also build your online store. So when you come over to edit e-commerce, we're going to take you to your landing page, and within here you can actually add different categories, align the products how you'd like them visually, and of course add different products that you've already put in the system directly into your landing page. Once you're all situated and you have your online store completed, there's a View My Store button at the top right. This is actually going to be the link that you embed on your site or your social channels so that any customer can access your e-commerce page. The way this works, pretty simple. They're gonna hit the same kind of landing page visual that you've put together, except on their end, they're gonna actually be able to come in here, quantify what they like, add it to their cart, and then of course check out directly from the software. Now, they can enter their information, choose whether they'd be picking this up or going to be a delivery. If so, they'll be able to add all their cart information and delivery details, and then just confirm their delivery, gratuity, things like that over to the left, and place that order. Super simple, super quick. Obviously, all this feeds right back into the Orders tab here so that you can manage all of them in one spot. And in addition to that, in your settings, you have the ability to restrict delivery zones, enter lead times, add gratuity in or a delivery fee automatically, choose your availability, and put in some other visual components into your e-commerce page that you like, such as footer content or instruction help text, so that your customers know exactly what happens after they submit an order. That's it. That's the CurateOrders product. Again, really easy to manage all of your online and in-store orders. Really easy customer checkout so your customers have a seamless experience. And then, of course, manage all of your back-end operations directly in the software as well.